Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be about why I'm an artist and what type of art I create. This video is going to be a little different from my other ones, but if you like it, make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, see you soon. Alright, so question number one, why am I an artist? Well, I believe that I chose to be an artist before I even came to this planet, but we'll save that topic for another time. But the main reason why I create art is because I love expressing myself. I love being hands-on, and I love the idea of having a thought, having an idea, and actually creating it into this world. Like, it's something of your own, it's something of your mind, and to be able to actually create something from your mind into this reality is the dopest thing ever, and I just love it so much. Also, art is completely therapeutic to me. I love painting, and I also do a little bit of clay work. Like, you've seen those chakra little stones, those are made out of clay, and I painted those too. So I just love being hands-on and painting and creating, and it's in a way that I express my soul and share my gift with the world, and you know, I hope you guys dig it. So we'll go ahead and do question number 2. Alright, so what type of art do I create? Well, you just see my actual art. Originally I started out as painting people and doing portraits, but I'm kind of evolving. Like, as an artist, you know, we're always evolving, we're always changing our style, and I don't like to tie myself down to just one thing. So I've evolved and I started creating outer space. That was my second theme. I love space. I love creating anything like kind of like aliens and stuff too. The third eye, you will see a lot of third eye paintings that I create. I love to paint. I'm getting into nature too, like painting mountains and water and stuff like that. And in all my paintings, almost every single one, you will see a sun and a moon, or you will see a symbol that symbolizes the sun and the moon, because to me those, you know, they're divine, feminine, and masculine. They're some of my favorite things, and you know, it's in everything, so it's what kind of creates our universe, you know, it's balance. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you're an artist, comment below, like tell me what kind of art you create. I would love to share some tips and ideas, you know, a little back and forth. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. So I'll see you guys pretty soon.